In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion calendar directly into a Notion page. Many of us use the Notion calendar standalone app, formerly known as Cron, to centralize our schedules. While that app integrates beautifully with your Notion databases, you might want a live, visible calendar display directly inside a Notion page for easier access and better workflow visibility. The most effective way to bring a comprehensive calendar view into Notion, especially one managed by or synced with your Notion calendar app, is by embedding a Google Calendar. This keeps your events front and center without ever leaving Notion, which is perfect for productivity and project management. Step 1. Grab your Google Calendar link. Open Google Calendar in your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, find My Calendars. Hover over the specific calendar you want to embed. Then click the 3 vertical dots that appear next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. Once the settings page loads, scroll down to the Access Permissions for Events section. It's crucial that your calendar is public for this to work. Check the box next to Make Available to Public. A warning will pop up. Click OK to confirm. Next, scroll to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll find the public URL to this calendar. Go ahead and copy this entire URL. It's your gateway to embedding your calendar in Notion. Step 2. Embed the calendar in Notion. Open the Notion page where you want your calendar to appear, or create a new one. On your page, type a /, then type Embed, and select Embed from the menu that pops up. A box will appear asking for a link. Paste the Google Calendar URL you copied earlier directly into this box. Then click Embed Link. Give it a moment and your Google Calendar will appear right on your Notion page. You can resize the embedded calendar by clicking on it and dragging its corners. This allows you to integrate your schedule seamlessly into your workflow. Bonus tips for maximum productivity. Consider creating a dedicated section or page for your embedded calendar, so it's easy to find and reference daily. If you manage multiple calendars, work, personal, team projects, you can embed multiple Google Calendars in one Notion page for a complete overview. Use Notion links and buttons alongside your calendar to jump directly to tasks or projects associated with specific events. The embedded calendar is interactive. You can click events to open them in Google Calendar for editing, keeping everything synced and up to date. And there you have it, a live, interactive calendar view powered by Google Calendar, which can also sync with your Notion Calendar app, all right inside Notion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.